name is Councillor Jackie Compton Hobbs. I'm sure you all know that. I'm here now because unfortunately we could not host the Guy Fawkes Night event due to the provincial guidelines this Thursday on November the 5th. So we decided as a town we'd like to do something. So we put together 20 packages. A pack of wieners, celebration cookies, a pack of marshmallows, and roasting sticks. And we're going to draw 20 of these prizes this morning. So, for those that entered, good luck. And I hear we have a few entries. And the first one is Peggy Blake. The second one is Jeannie Nugent. The third one is Amy Winters. The fourth one is Marlene Winters Wheeler. The fifth one is Benjamin Snow. The sixth one is Olivia Crane. The seventh one was Jeannine Chaulk. The eighth one is Alison Keats. The ninth one is Natalie Dewhurst. And we're halfway through on this one. Roxanne Cabot. John Gaudi. Leonard Toomashie, that's 12.
Yep.
12. Renee Hanrahan is 13. Maggie Gaudi is 14. I got too many in my hands. I'm at 14. Robin Hillier is 15. Annabella Snow is 16. Leyna Pardy is 17. Olin Perrett is 18. Rey Limpangog. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Rey Limpangog. Limpangog. Rey. And 19? The 19th, Darryl Reardon. And the final lucky winner is Brandon Purdy. So, for all the names that have been picked here today, there's 20. I'm right here in a bowl. You can come by the town hall. We'll have a bag done up for you. So you have marshmallows, a roasting stick, celebration, and a pack of wieners in a bag. And I hope everybody gets out and enjoys some family time with their families on Guy Fawkes Night in their backyards. This community is known to have traditional bonfires with their family in backyards. It's usually a big event. It's unfortunate we couldn't have the big town event this year due to COVID, but we're trying to do our best to make everybody happy. So come get your prizes at the Happy Valley-Goose Bay Town Hall office, and thank you for entering. And stay tuned for future contests coming up around Christmas. Thank you.